Opening tonight is our Between People degree show that celebrates all of our disciplines between fine art, photography, illustration, and graphic design and animation. It's a chance for students to close the cycle of work, to have appreciation for what they've done and all of the sort of determination and perseverance and sweat and tears and joy that has gone into this degree show. The currency of exhibiting work is really what we focus on here at UEL. Closing that cycle of work, moving on, graduating, getting into the world of industry, creative industries, and all the various directions and pathways our students can go into.
It's a very, very important part of this whole art school, that you are able to show it to other people.
Just having it up there that people just come and see is such an amazing feeling, and it's nice to see everyone's work combined together.
You get your dedicated studio, it's your space, you're not hot desking, you get loads of time with tutors, you're able to set up and build your own brand, your own identity.
If you can screen print, you can do metalwork, you can do woodwork, you can do a lot of things what makes this course really, really unique.
I was really pushed to think creatively, explore different mediums, which are all things that I would have never dreamed of doing when I first started studying at UEL.
I think it's a good setting to study.
Being here, I've been able to develop and grow. So I learned that I really love working in gallery spaces.
Nice. You gain confidence as well. Oh, that's nice.
UEL feels like family.
Yeah, it's like a community, isn't
community,
it? Yeah.
instead of like these big schools where you kind of feel like you're all competing with each other.
I have the teachers who have my back and really support all the students and our work.
We have our students rigorously looking at professional documentation, CVs, cover letters. We even have a week called Boring Day, where we as seasoned academics and practitioners give you our invoices, our templates for our fee proposals. What does it mean to sell something? These are the important things that an art school should be teaching you.
They've really helped me find jobs whilst I'm studying. I'm a lot more confident now to leave university and go into the working world because I do have the experience and a stronger portfolio.
And we're very proud here at UEL of our students and our graduating cohort because they do take risks, and we can see the proof of that tonight at our Between People exhibition.